Ensuring a seamless checkout experience for your users is vital for your online shop's success. Today, let's explore how to create a smooth checkout process quickly with EasyStore. So let's get started. From your Joomla dashboard, navigate to Components, click on EasyStore, and select Settings. Then, choose Checkout from the list of options to configure your checkout settings. You can manage your checkout page settings from here. Provide your customers with a better user experience by enabling the guest checkout option for those who prefer to refrain from registering or logging in. Next, go on and customize your checkout process based on your preferences. Choose whether to hide, provide as an option, or require the inclusion of address line 2 for your customers on the checkout page. Use the drop-down list to access the options. You can also configure the phone number field in your checkout form to meet your specific needs. Next comes the Apply Tax Rate option, which enables you to choose whether taxes will be calculated during checkout. Enabling the Apply Coupon Code option will let your users apply coupon codes when making purchases from your shop. The Legal Information section deals with the visibility of the terms and conditions and privacy policy on the checkout page. Enabling these options will display the legal information and will be compulsory for your customers to check these options to proceed with their payments. Once you are happy with the changes, hit Save Changes. Let's take a look at the appearance of our checkout page. Looks clean and user-friendly. Allow your customers to effortlessly include their address details, along with any pertinent notes and coupon codes, and seamlessly transition to the payment process. Creating a convenient and navigable checkout page for your valued customers is as straightforward as that. Stay tuned for more tutorials on EasyStore.